everyone, this is the November unboxing of Curleebox. As usual, I have no idea what's in there. Total for Curleebox, for those who don't know, comes to about £23.95 or £23.50. That's including a delivery charge. Now, value-wise, it isn't one of those boxes as to, valued at 3 times, 4 times the price you pay for it. Usually, it centers around £35, £36, usually under £40. But what I do like about it is that sometimes they have products which aren't even yet available in the UK. So it's always some kind of surprise, and they always have a few luxurious items in there. So we are getting ready in there to unbox. I have no idea what's inside, so let's go. Let's see what's in the box. Curleebox. What's the theme? Autumn. Very good. You can see all the colors. So it says November, Curleebox. And it's got a list of the items in there, and I will let you in a description bar. If you want to check the total value of the items or individual ones, I'll try and find individual links as well for all of them, so you can check them in there. So we're going to start off with the first one. You've got declare war on dryness, which is good because I've got dry and crackly as ever hair at the moment. So that needs to be looked after. So I can't wait to try something like that. So opening the box. The first item, what can I see here? Okay, what is this? This is the conditioner cap, processed with natural body heat, self-warming, elastic band holds a cap securely. So obviously this is just a normal cap, but especially when it is in size extra large, and that's definitely not for me at all. My head will be extra small. Yeah, so it's a protective style, good for generating heat, especially if you haven't got one of those, steamers, mechanical steamers or mechanical electric steamers. Then you can have this where it seals it all in, creates heat, which is good for opening up the pores and everything else in your scalp, to allow the good ingredients to get embedded in there as well. So that's handy. So there you have it, conditioning cap. And the first item that I can see here is almond and avocado twist and setting lotion, which is great. And also, if I can read a little bit of information about it from the card, this is from the Design Essentials natural product. So it's got sweet almond and jojoba oil in there for all curl types. Saves up to 30 minutes styling time. So if you're looking to style twist your hair and save some time, this, according to it, will be the product for you. It says here, Twist and Set Lotion is a lightweight lotion that makes natural styling a breeze. Perfect if you're looking to nail your next twist out style with defined curls, lasting hold, shine, and frizz control. So that's the first one there. Great. Next item is this one, which is moisturizing oil treatment, lavender and marula. Marula oil is really, really good for hair. It's good for the scalp as well. It's also in there, says it has with sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, which is one of the most common oils for people use. It's also one of the cheapest. Also safflower oil, which is very different from sunflower oil as well. Good for the skin, by the way, as well as that oil. Abyssinian seed oil, I have no idea what that one is. And also watermelon seed oil, which is gentle and mild, which is great, by the way, for babies and so on as well. And then you've got rosemary leaf extract as well, which is rosemary is good usually for the skin, but also for hair as well. To help with the hair shaft. So it says here, dermatologically tested, fragrance free, dye free. And in here you get 118 ml or 4 fluid ounces, which is for the scalp and skincare. So you can use it for both as well. So quite a lot of these oils are very, very light as well. They're super absorbent, so that's why they're great for using on your scalp. They won't leave that kind of greasy, heavy feeling on your scalp. By the way, this one in here was 237 ml. Next item, not too many now, so just one more after this. The next one is this, which is a deep moisture balm, and it says here, is a sophisticated, oh, I didn't know a balm could be sophisticated, but if they say so. So it says it is a sophisticated 10-in-1 all natural, no preservative blend. This can be used on your hair and skin, and it is great for hair. It says here with raw African shea butter, which is good for moisturizing, and natural oils. It's got sunflower oil, almond oil, manwa, and macadamia oil, which are very good. Avocado oil, which is one of the best oils. Olive, which is it's a good oil, but it is quite a heavy oil as well, by the way. And also got coconut and argan oil and moringa and vitamin E. So lots of goodies in here. I have to smell it. I have to smell it. And it is lovely. It is soft. It's kind of like a sweet smell, but it's not heavy. It's not overpowering. And just so I can, so it's set. So this one is what you definitely need to warm up. And just to see, so I can try it, because you can do it for hair and skin as well. So lots of natural goodies. This is going to be fairly heavy. So unless your hair is kind of like super dry, then I would say this is kind of heavy. You might need to actually make sure that you warm up your hands first beforehand. Other than that, or you just have to keep swelling your finger in, and eventually it will warm up as it does at, here. But I'm just going to put it on the skin here to show you. It does give a soft gloss, but it leaves your skin feeling really soft. Gives a sheen, but nothing too overpowering, nothing heavy at all. It's not as if you've got glycerin or something like that on your skin. You can see it disappears into your skin as well. So that's actually quite good. Fairly now, you can always take a chunk out of it, melt it, and then using your fingertips, go comb it through your hair if you prefer doing it that way, if that's a lot easier. But there you have that, and it smells nice. Final item in here is this one. This is anti-itching, anti-itch tension relief, and it's got tea tree and aloe with peppermint oil, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, cottonseed oil, sesame seed oil, and hemp oil, rosemary extract as well. So all the good stuff for actually clearing your scalp, especially with peppermint oil and tea tree, for keeping it nice and clean and dandruff free. But aloe as well is also for gentle and kind of not neutralizes, but softens the effect as well. So, and it's also healing as well. So these are some good stuff here, natural products, which I would be perfect for me. I love natural products. So lots and lots of goodies in here. As to the total value, I will let you know. Check in the description bar if you want to know the total value. But that is today's unboxing. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And I'll speak to everyone. I will speak to everyone very, very soon. Bye.